Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to change the difficulty on an Enshrouded server. Firstly, you have to head over to Server.pro and click the Enshrouded server from your list. Then head into the server itself, and once you're there, we recommend turning off your server to ensure no errors occur when editing settings. Once that's done, head to Files, Server, and then the Enshrouded Server.json file. Once you're there, you'll see the game settings preset and the server settings below. All you have to do is edit the parameters according to the difficulty you'd like. For example, for survival, you can edit the parameters with the values I've shown on screen right now. We recommend pausing to get a better read. Then for hard, you can edit the parameters with these values. For relaxed, you can edit the parameters with these values instead. And finally, for revert to default, you can use these parameters on screen to change the server accordingly. Whilst you do that, you can also change the game settings preset to the according names such as survival, hard, relaxed, etc. However, you can also just put custom if you'd like to edit it not according to the preset values. But once that's done, make sure to save the file and head to the homepage. Then start up your server for the changes to take effect. Your server should now be the difficulty you set it to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.